Hi, happy cooking. This is for beginners and this is a 1.5 liter small pressure cooker. We add 1 pot of rice. This is raw rice and we wash it thoroughly twice and we discard the cloudy water. We can add 3 pots of water for 1 pot of raw rice. This would give you a soft form of rice, good to eat. It should be noted that the water and the rice should just be 1/4 to half of the small cooker, not more than that, because the cooker is small. So only that quantity it can cook. And very important is the stove should be with the minimum heat in sim, because the cooker is small. You should close the lid carefully and put the weight. The lid should be with the gasket. I have shown the gasket and the weight at the end of this video. You can put off the stove after 2 whistles. You should open the cooker only after around half an hour after cooking. The round black one is called the gasket, and this is called the weight. And this is the nozzle where you place the weight.